One of the things to remember is that the word lists in the statutory word lists in the national curriculum are called word lists. They're not called spelling lists. The word lists in Key Stage 2 in particular are very often words that children don't naturally use. So step one is to actually learn those words as vocabulary.
Well done guys, that was brilliant. Give yourselves another pat on the back. Perfect, well done.
One way, not the only way, but one way of getting children to understand how those words are used in context is including them in dictations, so that children are actually hearing those words in sentences. As well as spelling, dictation can be very good for reinforcing certain sentence structures. So we would definitely suggest using your current grammar focus within your dictation. So for example, it might be introducing different conjunctions in Year 2. It might be about using a relative clause somewhere in a dictation in Year 5. That process of having to hold a whole sentence in your head is quite good for reinforcing sentence structure. The more time you spend holding a sentence in your head as you try and transcribe it, the more that sentence structure is going to go into your working memory and then your long-term memory. You could ask certain children to compose the next dictation that includes key vocabulary, the application of certain spelling rules, the application of your current grammatical focus, and it's going to be about evacuees or mummification or something like that. That's a seriously focused compositional challenge for some children.